आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है, यू आर गोना सेव दिस वीडियो फॉर योर फ्यूचर रेफरेंस, बिकॉज आज हम जो कार्ड्स बनाएंगे वो आप किसी को भी किसी भी ओकेजन पे गिफ्ट दे सकते हो एंड दे आर रियली वेरी इजी एंड क्विक टू मेक, और मटेरियल भी ज़्यादा नहीं रिक्वायर होगा. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स क्विकली मेक दोज कार्ड्स. So the सामग्री you will require chart paper, plastic sheet, sequins or two-way tape. Stick thin straps of two-way tape to the edges of plastic sheet the way I am doing it here. And it's pretty simple, right? Now let's add some sequins and remove the tape and stick the plastic sheet. I will make sure to share the product links from Amazon so that you can purchase. Now for the second card, take a rectangle paper of any size and cut and fold as shown in the template. Now I will add the photo card and stick it only to the ending points. Watch the process clearly and follow the steps. Okay, so for my reference, please do comment आपको ये वीडियो कैसे मिला. I will really love to know that. Once it's done, just add some decoration and you are done. Also, if you are interested in watching videos like this, then please do subscribe to my other channel. The link is in the description box. Let's move on to the third one. Take a cardboard and cut it into a heart shape, pretty heart. Now we will apply fevibond to all over the heart shape and stick the flowers, the roses, to cover the full heart. By the way, the next clip is about how I made these flowers and these leaves, so stay tuned. So take a square paper, make a beautiful jalebi and do comment किसको जलेबी पसंद है. बस उस जलेबी को कट कर लो and you are all set to go. Roll the paper strip the way I am doing it. Roll. And stick fevicol, a lot of it, and stick it. Stick the whole jalebi you made. It's done. This is how the rose will be made. So this flower belongs to the quilling technique. If you are interested in learning that, do let me know in the comment section. I will for sure make videos related to quilling and the techniques and the flowers regarding it. So our leaf is also ready. So if you recreate any of these cards, then do not forget to tag me and reshare your creations. I'll be really very happy. हम मिलेंगे next video में. Until the next one, stay happy, stay healthy, keep smiling and bye bye. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겨.